Welcome to our Countertop Ice Maker Showdown. Today we're comparing two popular ice makers. The Free Village Nugget Ice Maker, known for its soft and chewable nugget ice, and the DUMOS Ice Maker, a compact and budget-friendly option. We'll dive into their features, performance, and help you decide which one is right for you. The Free Village Nugget Ice Maker produces soft, chewable nugget ice, perfect for cocktails and beverages. In contrast, the DUMOS Ice Maker creates traditional bullet ice, which is harder and melts faster. If you prefer chewable ice for your drinks, the Free Village is the clear winner. When it comes to price, the Free Village Nugget Ice Maker is significantly more expensive at $209, while the DUMOS Ice Maker is a budget-friendly option at just $69. This price difference reflects the features and ice type each machine offers, catering to different consumer needs. The Free Village Nugget Ice Maker boasts an impressive daily production capacity of 34 pounds, making it ideal for parties and gatherings. On the other hand, the DUMOS Ice Maker produces 26 pounds of ice per day, which is sufficient for casual use, but may fall short for larger events. In conclusion, the choice between the Free Village Nugget Ice Maker and the DUMOS Ice Maker comes down to your ice preferences and budget. If you desire high-quality nugget ice and are willing to invest more, the Free Village is the way to go. However, if you're looking for an affordable and portable option, the DUMOS Ice Maker is a fantastic choice. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.